Yaba ya. AKA. Mami mbo piano kakra. Bara. Toto be cheapo. Toto be cheapo. Bara. Kubama. Bara. If ya Toto. Serious kakra. Toto be cheap. It's sure. I call radio station or today. I call Sem. I can say Mzbel, a dinny boy. Mzbel, a dinny boy saying, "It more Ghana for one more share Mzbella. We the Afia boy. Huh? I walk up now TV station. A chant for the more same radio station. Me, no, I saw it. Obi sani ma me otogo, obi sani ma.
I don't want to watch.
Obi sani ma me otogo. I'm sure. Walk out na radio station na we transfer ahye nyame nyam. But what I don't understand is that why is that if you are all your life all you want to do is to tarnish people's image, like all you want to do in your fucking life is to tarnish people's image, try to paint people black. I mean, like, why? If you and I know say blanket no umpena. Mallet umpena. Oh, say blanket no on your body. What you say? It means me and becheche mon kasa bia. Blanket MP here. I know they make kasa no me can't work here. Me a free thing I me can't work. But basically I can't say blanket they fear na umpena. O catch him say blanket no. What fun as a baby Sarah. Na often she penna. Because now him says that me busy. You wash how you get bread the ya so come the check sister. Sister now him say come the check. Yen na sorry yes just nkofo sika prophet bedu ko bi munya ye ko so musika e wa sorry dem ho. That time no to be ko e ko gido nya wa prophet man obedu ko bi ho. Ai. What we ko gido prophet man obedu ko bi ho. Now I got this. My spiritual father, my shack, nation prophet, Reverend Owusu Bempa. Just as I did on Yanam on air. When you say me, Muni, said I am Tema proper. You saw you supina my cosmetics. We will be 90 man. A papa as a panco no quaso. If you are Schwarzenegger, build ties na yɛhwɛ. Unante ma papa ase etibeti nkwa aso. Ojido. E prophet man obedu ko bi ho. Wa kwa yi ya Reverend Owusu Bempa.
Oh, fine.
Oh, my friend, shut up. I'm talking.
Hey!
Let me talk.
I'm your big sister, don't say shut up.
No, but if I'm in the spirit and I'm talking, let me talk. Do you understand? Because this girl, she's disgracing you. And I won't sit down for anybody to disgrace you. So let me talk, please. No, if I'm saying this, there's nothing, they are, no. So if I'm saying she takes money from, it's not that somebody told me, I'm there. Nobody told me, I'm there. Medukobi has been giving Afia Schwarzenegger money to insult Owusu Bempa. We go and sit in the restaurant together with Mr. Beautiful, we eat, I'm there, the cash is there. But at the end of the day, when we get home, Afia Schwarzenegger doesn't give you part of the money. Oh yes, you do fear Afia Schwarzenegger cano or my baby. More than 3 times you do in your money. Bibi says, Satan, me say a Juma level. Me na my myself because me or friend me or say, oh, Nana, and if she knew me who won't hear, young quite so funny when you call Jidu Kaka can if I sort your own out. But you're quite sad, they are not considered that. In common, so close to the BB. Or do feel my window, be not just a baby today. I mean, I'm quite yano. You understand what I mean? Baby today, I don't know how you who's went pano. Into brass, don't remember, Obi. And now you do fear. No, I fear blanket. Blanket, now, Uma, Tornado 50 got enough and for Uban coffee. No, I could join him, but hey, James and John, have you paid your school fees? That I know of this old you soon have been. Now I am a stray.
But when I go watch a bit, now
I am a stray.
Mommy, messed up.
If you have to say, me, I be the whole year, the whole so soon Jesus was see anymore. So would Jesus never bad? But my boy history, no background. Remember that. Why did you do? Ay, some coffee in ya. She Juma and in Yamama. What's that? I say, when we say you are losing your funds. So what up to my radio station? And I'll say, Mzbel, Akodi, oh boy. Now, oh boy. Bara, if you are trying to check on the low, if you are stupid, try to check on the low. Some of them for no other fun what the man I won't name my man one and I still lost your penny. Now, still, also, I had no connection. I never connection beyond on the quarter to China. Hey, Blanket, let me tell you something that you don't know. Today, I'm telling you. Mallet, let me tell you something so that you will know what I mean. Every man is happy. Means well, I'll come to your understand. Let me try to, brief them certain things. Every man is happy. Say, be a one and a girl, I catch you and say, oh, a sofa or bar for. Now, what can one say to some level? Obema be our what say be of it. To say me say, but say, between what 3 some 4 some 5 some 6 some 7 some 8 some 9 some 10 some because better me are naturally cheap. My mentor was strategy, black at my mentor strategy, no one I mean, no Casano. Mallet, my mentor strategy, no. So there'll be a who picture, and make one of your walk. There'll be a so what picture and maybe you picture in picture. My mentor strategy, and then now, girl, if you have to take another you to water. Blanket. Girls, now if you have to take a call for banana, or said I catch all the guests here, banana yourself. Why 3 now, so I know you're a man, so you love pussy to with it. I don't know. I mean, if you have to take a strategy, I know you will. Girls are women of us who do a check. Only a way catch to check on the low. Soupy. No, use strategy, no. Not the three time back. If I'm lying, you can come out and come and say it. Which I know you come and come out. Because she told me herself, say. Or no, the guests they bar. And you the guests they bampua. Say guests, but say guests meaning be. Yeah, the camera see me so come to work on me to my church. Or no trouble girls. If you have to sleep with trouble girls, waitress who sell at a bar. When we say waitress, someone say you bar no. I get your salary 400 Ghana in your money. And just will be say, make to that. Me say on your money we did your money on your way to tell on the low. If you have to say go to me the guests will come, now me watch him because she's gone. She's drunk, she's gone. I protected her enough, but she never protected me. Rather, I was sorry, I'm not catching comfortable me again. Now, I'm typing an act on that, do I did it so that when come around. Every time to you see a year. Maybe what's your phone for me, yo? You what's your phone for me, yo? Blanket. What's a more than paniswa? A good time about it again, and if you have to take a catch yourself. Anytime I've ever did girl now, if you have to say, wear your condom, wear your condom. Where she said condom this own. Oh, boy. Condom not so far or 2 another champagne. That means you have no option than to move a car and go buy a condom and come. Over no, they try to cut off a soil and on again, I on an eye that and 2 banana again in front of him. Get a CIB I want to be pillar too. Mu area honum nano. Get a see obolobo bino. No, I catch us up and saw again because you are a man, you didn't know anything, so I don't blame you. And you were happy that your girlfriend didn't be she likes every time. She wanted to fuck that fat bitch there. So I get on the time, no, and also condom the champagne, no. Utu car or called dress or condom by not in I try to check on the low, no. On the night that. Into buy all the girl on what I want in the street. If you have a if you have to say guys a senior papa sokwai, and I'm a masakwai. And on what dancing where they intro kaka with the man because on we are about history of background now. Now I don't know if you're watching us here, I realize that we'll lose so fast. Why I just say, person who use Mzbel as I don't know. People are just following, but they don't love you. Mind bad, 1 minute.
Hey, Tornado, this is not what you told me you were going to do. Lack of another explaining. No need a theater, need the family. me on book a day.
Na say mama ma hwan my boy 11 something there means me bana me be spending be atwa mo na mo nkota your money your power me asem no kan che me so on me court cry me fefe my bosom for fefe my what's anything on back now if you I don't know I got a radio station and I'll say blanket oh boy you can't say Mzbel and what's sending the message if you don't do that. I've always told you. Anyway, I don't know what you get when you do that. Okay, I can say Mzbel. I say or surprise mawa surprise or say or want to say or catch your bush your food him say. You can't say blanket mallet so Mzbel so come Mzbel, what's wrong with you? No, come, my dear. Come, give me a kiss. Give me a kiss. Come.
You are crazy.
Come closer.
It's such a
I'll say our radio station now. I'll say then.
No video no need na be no to make her on her birthday. I said I have a surprise for her, and in the presence of her relatives, I told her she must get respect. She has no class and blah blah blah.
In presence of her relatives, what's your relatives? If you're just saying, only class or relatives, ah, maybe about your mom will see if you're relatives, ah, Ghana for me with some Ghana, the whole Ghana. See, as will be called retirement, age Ben and Pagoni doer or call retirement. And yes, sister, yes, ah. But if you are a Kanega, leave a pay the 82 years, but still, oh yeah, Jumao, Kumasi Kumo. If you are a Kanega, Bara, total be cheap, or if you are total be cheap, over pay 82 years, but up to now, over pay Juma, movie some say, if you are something, I don't pay. Udinam come her, and what I you be done watching water. Obi down or team. Or they renting, and what I watching water. And also, we are going down now to now to focus better off. Any man for pressure because Mzbel a top story builder. And I don't yet know. That is better, sir. And how dear to know. Oh, if you are always maybe it was your pen hour. No party at Tonsu. Otiana, oh, post pictures. It was Instagram. It claims, oh, mansion. Our papa rented down. It was Tonsu. Oh, papa 82 years. Oh, papa, sorry, I just want to be drugstore. I said, well, yes, at to be an eddy. Oh, papa, sorry, 82 years by this time, like I said they are all claiming, so millions of cities, so be about 13K, only charge, but see, I don't want 13K. Ah, where if you tyrant what the people are too low require to go tyrant with you. Ah, no, be about 13K. Ah, oh, but you're Tonsu. You posted pictures trying to when you come on mama youth no in bar now one banning mama na more pressure to almost on fake life.
Oh funny. Can I explain the malady?
Mzbel, please, I'm coming. Fake life. Let me finish talking. There be a ebusiano can only ebusia. As I check you because if you have to take they were party at with 82 years so still papa no so you continue be draft when you start to be an lady. Maybe about the Obia mama. Mzbel, open the phone for me, please. Maybe about audio be mom now audio now maybe have one. That is thing that I've sent. Check on your phone. Yeah, you are.
Okay, but the mallet part I would like to.
Okay, you are opposite. That person papa don't suicide no.
Because mallets
Papa did 82 years so. If you have to stay Papa did 80 years no. And if you have to stay Papa don't su. Papa no make money da. Papa dey am also posted the picture on Instagram. And you papa o. Hey! And you papa o. Eh mama ante nempuna. Nempuna. But papa don kasa na and you papa o. Papa don kasa ti aton su we dey 82. Odi 80 years if you have to stay party man no. Na party if you have to stay command no. Okoye man papa o aton su no. Mo mbisa Ghana for say. I don't if you have to stay so you supposed to be beer about her. But party no okoye man papa o aton su ni 80th birthday no. I don't know which post on Instagram. And on Facebook, and on Twitter. But emo no sorry na ma mempra we oni na atwempra some go so twa mo ntwe wie ye no o sorry na ma ne boyfriend say twa plenty ketaba no papa no na play mu that you o tra play mu a kuma so huru na adwenya agim but o papa wo akasa everything that waton su and then they repair all the fridge also papa fridge yes the devil 1866 and what they go to say the devil o papa repair fridge na repair fridge. Yes, papa could you see the devil if ya say and ya cry. If ya papa, e wa tonsu. Sa also wa pa, na wa papa, e wa tonsu. E papa obo bra, e we japade. Wo me hu se wejimi na me hu se wejimi because ye na mo su na me sure say eh me grandmother fie ni, me papa fie ni, ye ko kakra also papa fie ni. O bra do abo. Me papa ye kwa ni o. Me papa ye nkwan ni me osu ho no papa me papa o dai me dai ko ho na bo 10 ye drive dey do osu na be church me grandmother fie ni me papa fie ni ye ko edu ka kwa o say osu papa fie ni since na papa already dey want osu adai na papa gba for pressa e o Facebook and Instagram e na mama kola na mo ba na mo mbo mo bra if you just take a why ma ba get to check on the low Mama pause wa ha sister me can't say me girl we see heart pressure dey me yeden me dey because in for no twa no anything you hear no ho no nkola me dey problem say youth na eba no say Ghana ha eduma ni ha it bo yes idea is either obema obekwa homosexuality by gay by party this is na body ato so no and now obekwa ashawo dey make cannot say if you are something about fake pressure if you not people dey their sister or they need that one double pillar too though. I could see our into within 6 months when 3 tons had double pillar 2 Dana that she have to start paying rent there. And it's in dollars. She fucking doesn't have the money. Amount of pressure. This is a blanket I said never and say church
no, first of all,
the
video need to watch be an
yeah.
A fiancé my boyfriend I catch her and say or name that he had sex with me and I wanted a relationship because of Osuro or sit there. Guy needs on ye into me blackmailing blanket. Okay. Mallet. It's possible say and no cray. But if you see when I will kind ain't no say one ma wanting ma mechanical mallet me park or samau na ye we. Tornado anyway jumem ewotema mallet ye beba ho aba bebo na wa me yetiti me wo Jamestown everything Afia said about wo any alloy they are all lies ochina menya adajira chechiremu minimum say I know me yamadwin say asem we me chechiremu reply me nka hwe nti man hwe interview no but the na Tornado di try make a crabby and share you know. The we are when near Brenna walk and obi teach you say but wow and yummy mama mallet mini mallet better na mallet or no or sparking a car it takes like 2 hours and a car now this hey
this is how can say
1,000 today if you know the class of men I hang out with mallets.
But I remember you even told me when
out of respect for our friendship, when Mallet started misbehaving, Tornado ni me bad they pet, and I know me boy mama near, and it really hurts me. Say, Obama, what pick Mallet got if it in the by your life, mo. We will see Obi a hack you Facebook account to send Instagram.
Mama can't say we all kind of day. Did you make sure if you're in a wash? I will never make sure say.
You let me finish, then you should.
Guy be sending message. I'm coming. Guy be sending the message. I'm hacking Instagram account, and a guy be sending the message on Instagram. Say, Facebook or say Instagram. So I'm hacking Instagram. So I think guy is sending message on Facebook. So which me retrieving account now then. Aman. And no, or see okay. Until you go share guy in the Facebook pictures. Now say guy in here find a crap. Or don't you find a blanket in my letter. I say guess. When in the guess level, you go say na. I say guy in here find a crap. Now see you. We dey on here so be Instagram na man but my guy na ba mo head we di no nti we say if you no obi a onim no be bia o me view on the pictures kwasiara wo katia ya la mu nyama mo edu Ah? Well, Munim Katia Yala, guy not stone boy born, you know, say, Katia Yala, dear Penessa, I want you have a fraud was, I want you to do with ya. I would you walk out. And then your blanket, no. You go shadow of filling station near driving the wound near the coffee. May quite cotton mortar bar, me buy ya. If just was take a lucky diner with the blanket, and one know. Intelligence only know now my boyfriend, oh, boyfriend. Miss Boy, you continue with your destiny. I'll finish later.
Mallet no se wa man mechanic cray was same one. Mekwa ko samano ewo awosomfie ewo nkran ebekọ ni office bowling office
ebekọ ni office
akwa ko bona
say mallet mechanic cray no because Mzbel catch me say
mallet
Mzbel catch me say blanket ham and I'm say never say that blanket how and also if you are called Dubai no Dubai na say if you are call no okudi me sponsor wo man be also me kakra munu ya bema someone is me a hustler man be also me kakra losing me call Dubai also if you call and if you go deep pay you and if you call can no say papa can't say me this is kasa
so enwana Tornado aka no if you beja na mama me and also 2 point or see mallet and a year penna a godfather. Ain't mallet ever abestran. Mallet a bahwa. The way on name make Cassani the way or yeno. I feel so uncomfortable. First of all, me who mallet say obey fiano. I am in Nakakra because mallet na I can no hona. He's not the type me expect to say a celebrity and any beko out. Nika that is all spark here. And any ochna nebejiso. Only who was not so cry a small boy. And on yummy type. And you know, but and Madame no or you know, I have to respect that. But Obasa or Besra Pena and come on me differ if you're in your yen, it makes me uncomfortable. At some point I felt that he's disrespecting me. But minimusane fiatie, me pesa me catch and I feel bad. And you know, I tell Tornado, and then everybody in my house around me knows this. I never want to tell Afia because my study the way Afia animal and I don't know how she will react. And then honestly, the same thing I told Tornado I told Tornado
so let them know on their birthday I told her, not you.
Mallet on yemi type on yemi class. My yana bonidia yeminum semunina. This guy will never stop. Or catch him and I don't for you say I don't know to say Afia Schwarzenegger and a blah 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 blah. I don't know Mzbel or Hona. Here riding a couple some do
I say that's the jump born in Yamakanin.
All sorts of nasty things. You know, out of respect for our friendship and until I try not to tell my friend. After bedroom baby can make cartoon so ban of best rap and I'm a man in Rami fee. Ojina bonting. Semi bois, busuma, try share. We are some way in a busum was social media, me bois, and you rain me quadra, mammy sorry, biomuda. And you raise a me quadra. Mammy sorry, but as a mammy can try and you make me quadra, busma mood see me. Mamma means so.
The blanket not something your
mallet no mallet on yemi type. Mallet respect me. And some mallet can fight if you're away and yama humpty. So I told Tornado say, this guy, he doesn't have respect for Afia because of our respect for Afia. And can only make feel comfortable when me make kasasa. How dare you? How dare you, Mallet, talk to me and tell me say, me moya wa kono na mini oba. How dare you?
If you are done, I
see the way onya celebrity or who say if you are celebrity onya easy no. Of he say na that for you na so he thinks he can have me like that. But seriously, it's me moya men campo. And then I kept quiet. The only person I was telling is Tornado and my daughter Dede. And I tried to fight him. I tried to scare him. So make catch if you may yes,
so on the birthday.
And so catch if you catch him. So on his bed on Afia's birthday, me share washroom with Afia. And a Tornado, any Afia, any Dede, almost bet one, maybe piano met one. Almost an over catch if you better. And I'm saying,
until I want to make catch a Mzbel, say Mzbel means me for Afia Schwarzenegger and ya down for. The boy I bet so pa, I'll keep mute. I'm not that kind of friend. Into baseball, I'm not 3 months now, dear Chemo, but it's your birthday, no, and I'm me approach if you're catching as a mother. Me, who you mean, I send me hammer. Mzbel said blanket, I was sleeping, but minimum before some way, ain't see, into and never person because I was on the show. So I just have a boy beside the body day because they didn't import, yeah, for 10 minutes.
They didn't price a bubble blanket.
They didn't import a bubble blanket.
Asama me can say me boa and I dream me da busuma muti.
But what was now radio station and I say on your birthday and Mzbel said she has a surprise for you, bitch, you lying.
I was in the washroom.
Me na maybe catch her. Maybe I maybe catch her because was a bit before the way. Anyway, me catch her, we share them, we go to 30 minutes. And I'll pay here. I'll buy. We hypocrite like that. President here. Everything is right. Later, maybe I'll say, I don't know, Mzbel, I can't say we in your boy, we want any number. Okay, I just say, Tornado, boy, we penal. Me use soon as a babysitter because ye peer me no be 100 penna. Why are you lying? Jai. Oh.
Blankets. Me no crying here, cozy cry. I read in your make me use what I would my mallet to cry. My disrespect me. Mallet. They be our boy high one no shock like very his dirty. Ni mallet phone, walk it a phone, we need phone any man. Say a map and countries that was to do so. And the money now crack it. Mallet phone, any money now crack. Sister, my bread pay you. Ain't I know I choose my men wisely. Like oh yeah, Bema now when decent, when you're mature, when you're classy. I don't like you.
Now let's say if you're if you're a dairy girl. Blankets from Mzbel can sell my blankets.
There's no need.
No, blankets catch here. Mzbel say if you're Schwarzenegger, you're born 1, 2 or that. I do so you good pillows. 3. Obi any 91, 91 papa at a prank coordinate me to so this is a carinya.
Ain't no on her birthday no okay. Say me see I have a surprise for her. How mean can I be? Now where a surprise? I was in the washroom when Tornado and Day brought you on Besham say no be catch where you know because Obi on pair blankets as some. Nobody likes blankets. Ain't no person mean can't be a woman show. Now kicking her out. And I didn't want to do that because minimum said, Boy, we of you'll be miserable. So far he's the only one who is interested in doing dirty stuff with you. I didn't want you to lose that because I thought say I know never mind when niaji. And I didn't want to tell you. And Tornado any day. A catcher on our baby son and catcher was saying. You know, if a man has respect for you, only me mama kasasa. Baumbu ain't your face there, son. I may miss me a basa. So he had the guts to say something to me about you, and he keeps pushing. Even though I didn't let me threaten to say, make a check, he will not stop. Then he tell him to me blackmail blanket. No blanket then no. Mallet then no. Honestly, mallet then no. Then no. Nika or status or spark is here. It will take hours. Then pan a mallet war. Me are down for Bonia. I can make change same more power. But like I said, mallet and barb one tiama mechanic cry. See, drama Jamestown a wo. Mekwa ko sika. E wona yewe. Anasa ko mo choshi. Mes samano. Na ya koni office. Akwa ko bon na wa. Na ye be twa so na